Zawadi Marketplace. Let's go check it out. Zawadi Marketplace is located in Animal Kingdom Lodge inside the Jumbo House. African-inspired carvings. The giraffe. That is cool, huh? That little giraffe stool. And these are magnets. Animal Kingdom Lodge. Get your Animal Kingdom Lodge collectible. I love this tree ornament. Mickey at Animal Kingdom Lodge. You're probably wondering, what do they want for that? Well, that's what they want. Very nice picture frame. Animal Kingdom Lodge. And that's what they want for it. Yeah, and this is a nice tree ornament too. Christmas tree ornament. They have the Jumbo House mug. And that's what they want for it. Oh wow, look at that. Animal Kingdom Lodge ears. Aren't those cool? They are. Love it. $44.99. Yeah, that is cool. And here they got the beach towel. Animal Kingdom Lodge. Really nice. Check out the planters. Oh, they're so cute. With a plant potted already. And that's what they want for it. Oh yeah, they got a nice big hippo back there. That's a big plant. That's probably going to cost you a little bit more, I'm thinking. Yeah, $40 for him. And a giraffe. How cool. Very nice. This is a cool display here. It's always nice to come over here and check it out. I'm not sure if any of the stuff... Oh yeah, it is for sale. Yeah, I see a price on that bowl, which elephants are holding up. Look at that giraffe bowl. There's a price on it. Let's see what it is. Wow. $875.99. It's a big bowl. And look at that. It's got giraffe handles on the side. It's very nice. There's another one. Oh, these are cool. Global Artisan Crafted. Looks like a little wooden carved elephant. They want $20 for it. So these are $20. Oh, wooden mask. Made in Kenya. Wow. And that's what they want for it. I like the red bathrobe, $100. Disney's Animal Kingdom Lodge bathrobe. It's got the fur inside. Here's a nice Animal Kingdom Lodge t-shirt. That's what they want for their t-shirt. $35. Nice t-shirt. Oh yeah, that is a cute drink holder, huh?
That's adorable.
Yeah.
Lion King.
$30. Oh, here's a lug. That is a cute lug bag. It's got Safari Mickey up there. And that's the price for the lug bag. $125. Wow. Oh, they've got a little bag too. Like a purse. Disney lug. This one will run you $65. Now what kid wouldn't want a little toy giraffe? They're only $10. And toy rhinoceros. Toy zebra. Oh, the toy zebra is $13. I guess there are different prices for different animals. Oh, wow. They've got a gorilla. Oh, he's even got a number on the bottom of his foot. These are pretty cool. Oh, they're heavy. Yeah, these are heavy. Not like a light wood, it's more like a stone or something. Stone Age Arts. $25. Pretty. Oh, that elephant, that surprised me. He's squishy. You feel squishy. Oh yeah, that surprised me. Smushy Beasties elephant. That is funny. Oh, he's only $8 too. And these carved giraffes are really cool, huh? For $30. Nice carved giraffes. That says $1,425.99, but he's pretty big. There's my hand, so that gives you an idea how big he is. Wow, look at the size of them giraffes. That huge giraffe will run you $2,755.99. But he's huge, taller than me. Some walking sticks. Those are cool, huh? Wow. Very nice. This walking stick will run you $155.99. There's a gorilla walking stick. Well, that'll do it for this video. Thanks for watching. Thanks for coming along. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit subscribe. Don't forget to hit the like button. And we'll see you again in the next one. Olaf! Oh, there's Mad Donald. Take care.